all of the power of the regular massager, but in a miniature package? Guys, I think the Naipo Mini Massage Gun Deep Tissue Back Massager is the Devin Howard of massagers. How's it going, everyone? I'm Devin Howard on Instagram as @DevinHoward. Welcome back to another episode of Unbox This. Today, I'm unboxing the Naipo Mini Massage Gun Deep Tissue Back Massager. With any at-home massager, you want the right combination of power and convenience. The Naipo Mini Massager gives you just that. There are several customizable heads and speeds to give you a whole bunch of different relief options. Plus, this thing is tiny and rechargeable, so you can get this relief wherever you want. For those of us who still have our home gyms pending, this is a great product to be able to use at home, at the gym, at work, and okay, I guess I can list locations all day. And I will. The beach, my grandma's house, Scotland, in the studio. Okay, fine, let's get to it. It is time to unbox this. I can tell this is going to be a tiny product because this box is very little. Okay, so first thing out of the box is the user manual. Wow, this is very little. This would certainly be easy to take with you wherever you are going. So this is the base here, and then you have all of these different attachments. You can put this one in. You've got this one. This one. This one. Here you have a USB to USB-C cord. Here we have a little wrist strap. Okay, so that's everything that comes out of the box. They were not kidding when they called this a mini massager, and I really truly do feel it is the Devin Howard of massagers. It's small, like me. Tiny, but tough. All right, let's clear off the table and then we'll talk about this. One of the first things you'll notice when you get this out of the box is how easy it is to grip the handle. It's made out of this slit-proof material, and the small shape and its inverted L design makes it easy to handle with just a single hand. So it's perfect if you plan on using it on yourself. This comes with 5 levels of intensity. Level 1 is for warm-up and muscle activation. Level 2 is for muscle relaxation. Level 3 is for lactic acid elimination. Level 4 is for muscle relief, stiffness, and soreness. And if you're really living life to the fullest, Level 5 provides deep tissue massage therapy. These options provide a whole range of relief, whether you're just looking for a little pick-me-up after a workout or a thorough massage to get rid of all the tension of your day. And if you thought those are the only customization options, you could not be more wrong. There are also 4 replaceable massage heads designed to target different parts of your body. There's a flat head for all muscle groups. The U-shaped one right here is for neck, spine, and Achilles. The bullet-shaped one right here is for palms, joints, and trigger points. And then the ball is for large muscle groups like arms, legs, calves, backs, and hips. So let's test it out. I'm gonna go with the ball-shaped one just because I feel like that seems the most comfortable right now. I'm gonna start on the lowest setting. I worked out my arms yesterday. I can tell I need this a lot. Oh, it feels really good. It's so small, but it really does deliver a lot of power, and I'm on level 1 setting. I can't even imagine what it would feel like on level 5. I don't think I can handle that right now. Oh, by the way, do you have your tickets to the gun show? Even though you're getting great relief from this mini massager, you're not gonna have to deal with a ton of noise. It's got a built-in brushless motor and has sound isolation technology. It produces less than 45 decibels of noise, which is a lot quieter than I am. Devin Howard is loud! This is a really great option for anyone who needs relief on the go. Weighing in at less than a pound, it's quite easy to bring this to and from work or anywhere else on the go. There's also an included wrist lanyard, which I already showed you guys, for anyone who may be a klutz. I don't personally know what that's like, but I've been told it's a real problem for some people. The massage gun comes with a USB Type-C charging cable, which makes it easy and convenient to charge from all kinds of plugs. Plus, the lithium-ion battery can last for up to 2 whole weeks on a single charge. That's almost 2 Hanukkahs worth of massaging time before you even have to plug it in again. Mazel tov! If you'd like to buy one of these for yourself, go ahead and click the link in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell. I'm Devin Howard, thanks for watching, and we just unboxed this. Bye! Whoa.